Hello, once again, you're welcome to FTGF's weekly market outlook. And what we do is we analyze the market and share with you potential market moves that you can use as a guide in your decision making. Okay, and if you can also learn one or two tips from how to properly analyze the market. Okay, now the platform we are using or the broker we are using is Ingot Brokers, and why I'm choosing Ingot Brokers is that it gives traders all the resources, almost all the resources that they need. Okay, when it comes to trading signals, when it comes to copy trading, when it comes to education, and a whole lot more. Okay, and they have good package partnership offerings. If you're a partner, you stand a chance of earning commissions between $4 to $12 by referring people to the platform, and a whole lot more. Okay, talking about signals, if you want to access trading signals from Ingot Brokers, you log into your account, you come here, come to resources. Okay, resources, you see signals. Okay, so these are euro USD, BP USD, and these are the signals. Okay, so it tells you when to enter the market, target level, when to take your profit, when to take your loss, and how long you can hold the trade. So it's one of the best. Okay, if you have any challenge to, you can scroll down here, you come to help center, you just ticket, raise a ticket, send your complaint, and then you'll be sorted out. Okay, so yes, once again, you are welcome. I'm going to now take you through how I do analyze the market. Now I look at it from technical analysis point of view and then fundamental analysis point of view. And with the fundamentals, okay, I just look out for events coming up in the coming week. Okay, that are going to affect the forex market and also has high chances of affecting other markets as well. So when you visit ingot.io, you come to resource hub. Okay, then you scroll down, you come to economic calendar like this. Now with economic calendar, you scroll down like this. Then with economic calendar, you're going to see, news, the dates, and you are now going to pick from how to, pick the events you believe that going to have impact in the market. Okay, so with that, you come here July. We are in July. Today is the 6th. Select 6th. And how long or which dates? Let's pick up to 12. Okay, like covering the whole week. Okay, the time is in GMT. Perfect. The in news. Okay, so each news has its impacts. Could be high impact or low impact. But let's pick the high impact news because when they come, they have a lot of volatility and shakes the market. Okay, which countries would we want to trade from? Now let's pick these. No, not all. Let's select the countries we want to pick or trade from. US, Australia, Canada, Europe or the Eurozone, down, Japan, New Zealand, then we come to Switzerland, United Kingdom. You can choose any country. We are just choosing these countries. Okay, now choosing them, we got to realize that on the 7th, that's tomorrow, we have news from the Eurozone. Okay, going to affect Euro pairs. July 8th, which is Tuesday, we have news coming from Australia. Okay, so we have interest rates news coming up, and the good thing is that it's giving you the details. Okay, so let's say you click here. Oh, sorry. You need to log into your accounts if you have an account with Ingots, okay? Then you will see the volatility and almost everything. But it's telling us that when the news came up with the interest rates news, we measured 33 pips volatility in the 4 hour after the past events, okay? So it tells you that this news has some level of impact. 33 pips is huge, that you can make some good money from there, okay? If you catch the right direction, okay? On the 9th, okay, on the 9th we have New Zealand news also coming up from New Zealand as well, and then you would have to pay very good attention to that. And this is the dates, this is the time, 2 a.m. GMT. You need to pay very good attention to that. On Thursday we have US jobless claims. It's something you need to pay good attention to. GDP news also coming from UK. Okay, so basically with the forex market, these are the news we're expecting to be coming out, and if you want to assess these news events and have a fair idea of when they are coming out, you visit ingot.io, okay, and then you come to resource hub, and then come to calendar. You click calendar, and then you can access this news. You just filter out the dates here, high impacts, and then the countries you would want to pay attention to. Okay, now that we know that news coming from US, New Zealand interest rates, Australia interest rates, GDP for UK, I think the next thing we would have to look at is choose the pair we would want to trade. So for me, I would like us to have a look at NZD USD because there's news coming from New Zealand and Australia. GBP USD news coming from, UK and USD as well. So we will look at all of these and then see how it goes. Okay. Yeah. So when you open or when you launch your MT5, okay, I just have the chart. There's the charts. If let's say you don't have the instrument here, you want to select the instrument you want to trade. You come to view, you select market watch, the one that you are looking for. If not here, if it is here, you just tap here, and if it's not there, tap here and then type that in to find that out. If you have them here, to right click, select charts, maybe you can just change your template. Okay, so we are done with that. We close this. Down here, you would see my balance, equity, margin level, and all of that. If you want to learn more about these parameters, you can just join us in our free educational sessions and learn more, okay, about that. Now, let's say you want to access trading signals, okay, from your MT5 directly. We have trading signals from your dashboard where you log into your account, you come to resources, and then you see market analysis. Okay, you see trading signals. We have them here. So let's say you want to now also access signals from your MT5. You see trade exposure history news. Click on news like this. You can just drag that up to see a lot of signals there. Now, let's say you want to look out for the signal that was posted for gold. Okay, you click on that. You click on that and then the gold signal pops up. Okay, let's maximize it. It gives you the direction. Okay, so the direction here is that it's saying gold intraday support around 3323, as you can see here, and the direction of the arrow just points up. Okay, it tells you that the high chances gold is going to keep going up. Okay, you can see the trade or the details of the signal here, and the company that is providing these signals has been in existence since 1999. Okay, so you can make a decision from there. So now we are good to go. Let's now analyze the market technically and keep going from there. Now, you said with the forex markets, we have interest rates news coming from New Zealand. We have interest rates news also coming for Australia. Okay, from Australia. So New Zealand, we also have news, jobless claims news for US. Okay, so with that, we are going to choose NZD USD because New Zealand interest rates, jobless claim news from US. Okay, now for NZD USD, you can see that the market has been in an uptrend for some time now. Purpose for last 2 weeks thereabout, and you can see it's been in an uptrend for that period. So we draw our uptrend line to identify the direction then which is uptrend, and then if you have a close look at it, the uptrend move started from here and then price got rejected here. Okay, so now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in NZD USD, you would buy when this uptrend line is broken or the price crosses this uptrend line to the upside. Okay, then you place your buy trade. If the uptrend line or the candlestick also keeps or sustains the breakout that it has done to the uptrend line to the downside, you place your sell trade. But in all of these, ensure that you have proper risk management measures in place. Ensure you have your stop loss and also ensure that you have your take profit. Okay, so when this uptrend line is broken to the upside, you're expecting price to keep going up. Okay, if this uptrend line is broken to the downside, you're expecting price to keep going down. Okay, so in all of these, ensure that you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, so let's have a good look at AUD USD. Okay, from this you can see price started moving from here uptrend and then got rejected at a point. So here movement started, uptrend movement started coming down again, and then price got rejected by this uptrend line. So currently we have the candlestick or the price below the uptrend line. So if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, you wait for the candlestick to break this uptrend line to the upside, okay? And you have also a trader looking out for a sell opportunity. You wait for candlestick. I mean, it has already broken the uptrend line to the downside, but you can wait for maybe a pullback a little bit to get the price to get rejected by this uptrend line, and then you place your sell trade, okay? But in all of these, like I always say, ensure that you have proper risk management, and that consists of your lot size and then your stop loss take profit. Very, very important. And then we also look at AUD/USD. Okay, now if you look at AUD/USD, because we have Canada news coming from Canada and we also have news coming from the US, okay, if you look at this closely, you would realize that price, I mean, it's been ranging for some time now. Okay, let's just get it nicely done. Right, so you realize that the price movement started from here, it went up and then got rejected here. Now remember, this price here is what we call support, and this price here is what we call resistance. Okay, now price moved from here, it went up here, and then it moved down again to this point, the support. So price from support to resistance, it got rejected, it came down back to the support again. Now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, within the range, at this point you're trying to trade within the range, you can place your buy trade and have your stop loss below the support, because believe that the support has rejected the price at this point. Okay, if you're also looking out for a sell opportunity and you are trading within the range, you would have to wait for the price to go from here up to this resistance, and then you will place your sell trade believing that the price will come down. Okay, now if you want to trade outside the range, looking at this, you can sell only if this support here is broken to the downside. So as you have the price hovering within the range, if it comes down back here and then it breaks the support to the downside, you can place your sell trade. Okay, so in all of these, once again, ensure that you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, let's look at commodities. Let's look at oil. Now if we have a close look at oil, you can all see that price has been in an uptrend for some time now. You can see that price has been in an uptrend for some time now. Okay, so the uptrend move started from here, and then price got rejected here, and then move up to this point, which is currently serving as the resistance, okay, or the highest price at the moment. Okay, now after that, price came back down again and then got rejected here. Okay, now if you look at this closely, there are chances price will keep going up to this point. Okay, however, if this rejection, okay, by this uptrend line fails and price doesn't go up as expected, price doesn't go up from here as I suspected, and it breaks this uptrend line to the downside, then there are high chances price will keep going down. Now in this case, after the breakout is done, you have initiated your trade. Ensure that you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, all right, now let's look at gold. Gold, if you look at gold closely, you realize that price has been in a downtrend for some time now. Looking at where it started from, here. That's when the downtrend move started. It started from here, and then price got rejected at this point here. Okay, now if you are looking out for a sell trade, okay, you can place your trade because we have your trade below, or the price below the downtrend line. You can place your trade and then have your stop loss above the downtrend line. Okay, or if you're also looking out for a buy opportunity, you would have to wait for this candlestick or for the price to cross this downtrend line to the upside. Okay, so if it breaks this downtrend line, you then have your buy trade, or you can initiate your buy trade and have your take profit below this downtrend line. Okay, that's how gold is playing out this week. BTC, okay, Bitcoin USD. If you are trading Bitcoin, you can look at it from this point of view. You can see that price has been ranging for some time now. So price from here from this point, okay, it got price moved down and then got rejected at this point. So this is the support, this is the resistance. Then after rejection, it moved up again to the resistance here, okay. Then price rejected the resistance, rejected the price again to the support, okay. And at the support, price got rejected again. And let's have a good look at it again. And then price has reached the resistance, okay. Now if this upside movement keeps going on, the range is active, as we can see. Once the price is rejected by the resistance, there are high chances price will keep going down to this point, okay. So if you're a trader looking out for a sell opportunity in Bitcoin or BTCUSD, once the price is rejected or the resistance has rejected the price to the downside, okay, there are chances price will keep going down to the support, okay. So you can place your sell trade, have your stop loss above the resistance. If you are looking out for a buy opportunity, you can wait for the price to break this resistance to the upside, then you place your buy trade, okay. In all of these, ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. When I say proper risk management, I'm referring to your stop loss, your take profit, your lot size, and all of that, okay. Once again, thank you for joining me, and you can join our free educational sessions in the coming week and learn something new. Thank you. Bye-bye.